So I found this place on Instagram, and they happen to post their schedule this week. So we came to this fundraiser for the Humane Society. There's 2 Boston Terriers over there. They're so cute. So this is their Instagram if you want to check it out. I'm getting the chicken sandwich and Nick got the tacos. It's gonna be good. Wow, these smell incredible. Okay, I'm going back to get some tacos too because I was like, why didn't I order a chicken sandwich? The tacos look so good. They're both delicious, but I'm gonna go get myself some tacos too. We are gonna go to Menards and pick up some rocks that I bought back in July. It was like right before I got sick with COVID, and then, you know, like a month went by and I finally started feeling better, and I was like, oh yeah, I have that order at Menards, so we're gonna go get that. I checked my form of payment for this thing, and it says that I paid for it and it has not been refunded, so they didn't like cancel my order or anything. So yeah, I should be good to go to pick it up, even though it's been 2 months, something like that. So I thought I would bring these guys just because I feel bad leaving them at home. They don't get to do that much exciting stuff. I would love to find something fun to do with them today, like a fun place to take them or something, but maybe that will be for tomorrow. I think there's some place I always want to take them for like walking around. I can't remember what it is, but I have to figure that out. Anyway, that's what we're doing. Alright, well that was not successful. Before I even got to Menards, I was at the stoplight where you turn to get into like the Menards area, and a truck came through the intersection, and I was in the turning lane, so the guy came this way, and then the light turned yellow. So I was like, okay, great, I'm just gonna, you know, make my turn while the light is yellow, because that's what you do. There was a guy like pretty far behind the guy who went before I turned, and I thought to myself, that guy's gonna stop because the light's turning red. He's not even close to the intersection. And apparently he was not intending to stop at the red light. So I had already decided to turn, so I was turning, and it was like he floored it or something and started coming through the intersection, just like on the tail end of me getting out of the intersection. But I don't know. He honked at me because clearly that's my fault. And then I looked in my rearview mirror and he was like stopped in the middle of the intersection, and all the other lights had already turned green. So he was legit trying to run a red light, and it's my fault that I turned. Like, I don't understand it. Whatever. So that happened. That was nice. And then I get to the little thing, the little kiosk where you give them like your order number and stuff, and she was like, oh, it says this was already fulfilled. And I was like, no, it's not. I ordered it back in July and I forgot that I even had it. I got COVID. So I didn't come and get it, and then I just forgot that it was even here. So she called somebody and it was fine. So I went back to the area with the rocks, and there were no more rocks that I needed. There was one bag, and that was it. So I asked the guy with his forklift, like, you guys have any more of this? And he was like, I'll go look in like the back stock area. And Because like I didn't see any more, so that's a bummer. So yeah. Now I have only one bag of rocks. I'm gonna have to figure out, I don't know, I guess I could get a refund, but I'm bummed. So I should not have brought Albert and Edie because I needed to go in and get a refund, but I did bring them, so I'm just gonna go home and I'll just get a refund another time. And now I'm at Smoothie King because I have coupons for smoothies. And they have their pumpkin spice smoothie, which is like the only pumpkin spice thing that I like during this time of the year. And they have a vegan one, so pumpkin vegan. Did I tell you guys that I'm going vegan now? I stopped doing dairy and eggs. You guys are so dippy. Oh goodness. Get that silly boy out of here. There's these adorable squirrels out here. They've been chasing each other back and forth. I don't know where the other one went now, but it's so cute. I want to go get the mail, but I don't want to disturb these guys. Yeah, I think it's like an actual restaurant too. We're gonna try this place that has
that's not a spot, right?
cookies. No. Vegan cookies and vegan donuts and stuff. We got a big box. Oh, so many vegan delicious things. So that's vegan. These are vegan. And then Nick's got some crazy looking croissants. Holy cow. Okay. Hi. So, happy Sunday. Now we are gonna actually work on some things for our outdoor Halloween display. Last weekend I spent the whole time working on, or last week vlog, I spent the whole time working on the front porch because I wanted it to be pretty in the background of the pictures of the outdoor decor. So I'm a psychopath. and then it ended up like raining a ton, so I didn't even get to really finish the patio until later in the week. So I'm just now working on the outdoor decor. So let me show you what we're doing. Your ball, Albie. So I have these two are from Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna try them. I have some different colors of pink spray paint, and then this is one I got from Amazon. That's a lot fancier and a lot bigger. Oh, thank you. As usual, Albert's here to help. So yeah, gonna give this a whirl. We'll start with this guy, berry pink. Kind of bubbling. I was a little bit afraid of that. I'm not really sure if this is foam safe. So, I guess we'll see what happens. What are you doing, boy? Oh my goodness. I have a bunch of these caterpillars. Like, where are they coming from? I saw one like a couple days ago. I thought it was dead, but it's not. They're all over the place. Trying to figure out what they are. Get that silly boy out of here. There's these adorable squirrels out here. They've been chasing each other back and forth. I don't know where the other one went now, but it's so cute. I want to go get the mail, but I don't want to disturb these guys. Whoa, it is chilly this morning. It said it's 58 degrees right now. Yeah, I have like my little midriff shirt on and it's chilly. I need a sweatshirt or something. Oh my gosh. And look, there's some leaves on the ground. This tree is always the first to start dropping leaves. But there's some over there too. Sorry, you guys are probably getting sick with all this motion. Oh, Albert's going potty. Oh my goodness, it's so chilly. It feels like fall. Good morning, it's Thursday. I haven't talked to you guys like all week. It is like 52 degrees, 54 degrees. I forget what I just read. Oh my goodness. This girl is just loving this pile of... Okay, buddy. These guys are crazy. It's real chilly out and I've got like skin out. I was not prepared. Even though my friend Heather told me it was gonna be cooler today, I forgot. It is cooler, it feels like fall. There's some leaves falling on the ground back here. I'm so excited. It's fall, it's happening. Great job. It's time for some breakfast. We were so silly. Yeah. Look at the state of our freezer right now. So we're switching to a new frozen dog food. We have our old frozen dog food, and then we're trying this factor thing. So we have no space in our freezer. But this is our new frozen food and it looks so fancy. It's like real food, real meat. Okay, are we ready for some breakfast? You gotta get your feet cleaned up. We gotta clean your little feetsies. Yeah. I didn't realize that this dirty girl will get rolled in something smelly. So, it's gonna be fun for us. It's the first day of fall. I didn't realize. So my friend just reminded me, so it's gonna have a fall bath. Yeah. Oh! Okay, everybody's fresh and clean for the new season. And they always get topped off with a little coconut oil lather. Good job. All right, I need to clock in and make some coffee. It is time. Good morning. Crazy looking. Need to brush my hair. Poor Edie, she's having a hard time. There's a squirrel out there. I don't know if you can see it, he's right there. There he goes. I know. She just wants to be out there all day, yelling at people. Yeah. Oh my goodness, it is so chilly out here. Get that girl! We can play outside forever! Cause it's so nice out! Yeah! I feel like Edie's got her chilly hair out. Look at her little wolf hairs. Oh my goodness. They're so cute. Another chilly morning. Right on top of the grass pile. Very good. Okay. You're so silly. Forgot to take in my plants last night, so taking them in now. Okay, I'm in the car with the pups. I'm gonna go pick up a prescription and then go to IKEA and pick up a chair for the front porch, which I asked you guys on Instagram for your opinion on which chair to get, and you guys chose very wisely. So if you're not following my Instagram, I will put a graphic here so you can go check me out. It's just Mary Darling XO on Instagram. So we can hang out every single day instead of just once a week. If you want to. Obviously no pressure, but that's that's what I'm doing. Pharmacy and then IKEA. We might stop at the doggy store because these guys have been cooped up all day. Anyway, I have like a cricked neck today. It's very annoying. Ugh, must have slept funny. That's it. Just started raining. I went to on a dark and spooky night. I went to IKEA in Portillo's, and now we're back home. And I was like, these guys need to go potty real quick. But I'm so excited, you guys. The people next door over on that side, not the fireworks people, the other people. Good girl. When I drove into our driveway, they were putting up Halloween decorations. That is like huge. Nobody decorates in my neighborhood for like anything. There's a handful of houses down the street that put up like a string of lights, and that's like it for Christmas. And for Halloween, there's one house that sometimes hangs like spooky things in their front tree, but nobody like decorates a whole lot. And these people are decorating a little bit. I'm excited to see if they keep going this weekend, because it's like the perfect Halloween decorating time. But they have a glass window on the front of their door, and then like the regular door, you know what I mean? Good girl, go be. Have a good poopy little nugget. They have a glass door, and they put like a big giant spooky thing on the front window, like a transparent thing, you know, like a window cling. Hey, hi. And then they have a white ghost hanging from the light next to their door. I hope that they go like really hardcore with decorating. That would make me so happy. I hope they decorate for Christmas too. Oh my gosh, can you imagine? I need to go lay down. My neck is like so cricked. Oh, it is stiff. I just want to like be unconscious. I need to take a shower too. But anyway, oh yeah. Just super excited about the Halloween decorating. Okay, here's the chair you guys picked on the Instagram, and I put it together. How cute. Now I can have my nice little skeleton out here. And then kind of playing with the rug a little bit. I see a little baby. You're so cute. Anyway, so that's what we got going so far. I put out some the tombstones in this area where I want to put them, just so I could do a photo. So I'll pop in a photo real quick. But the spray paint did kind of just deteriorate the foam, especially on the Dollar Tree ones. So I took some photos with them, but then I got rid of them because they didn't look very good. They were like melting, like totally deteriorated. So anyway. Oh, look, here's my neighbors decorating so far. And they did their little mailbox with some spider webs. Super cute. Just checking the mail. Anyway, yeah, they decorated a little bit. It makes me so happy. So, still need to put my tombstones out here. But, oh, and then the garden is getting filled up with some more rocks like you saw. Here's some more that I put in there. I just have a little bit left I need to fill in, but it's looking good. I love this area where it's all totally full. So yeah, super cute. Excuse me, Andy. So I I actually ordered a set of 4 Tombstones from Target that are so cute, and I cannot wait to show you guys those, but I think I'm gonna paint those with just regular paint, not spray paint, so it doesn't melt them. So yeah. Hi guys, Editing Mary here. I forgot to sign off for this week vlog, so it's almost ready to go, but I need to sign off. So thank you guys so much for watching and following along this week. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment. I'd love to know how your September ended up and how your October is going. Are you decorating for Halloween? I still need to do it outside, so I'm excited to do that, and there'll be a whole dedicated video for that later. So if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. It really does help get our videos out into the YouTube universe, and likes help also, so give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and we will see you guys in the next one. Don't stay away too long.